their feet and the minds that would soon fuel a modern nation. There stood a great a need for knowledge, a need for a mining college, just like the Royal School of Mines, London. The Indian National Congress, at its 17th session in December 1901, passed a resolution. The Macpherson Committee was formed, and its report became the blueprint of a new national vision. So when the nation was dreaming of freedom, a seed was sown here, right in Dhanbad, in the Black Diamond City. On 9th December 1926, the Indian School of Mines was born, and it was inaugurated by Lord Irwin, the then Viceroy of India. Our founder principal, Dr. David Penman, played the true captain, paving the way for the first cohort, the class of 1929. As the decades passed, our roots grew deeper. ISIN grew into phases, each decade adding layers of strength. In 1967, under the UGC Act, ISIN became deemed to be university. Its reputation spread across India's mining industry and energy sectors. From mining and applied geology, sciences and humanities, through expansion into earth sciences, core engineering disciplines, other circuit branches of engineering, computing and management. Every phase, an upward step, every step, a move closer to the national goals, aligned with the needs of a technology-driven, sustainable India. From the Silver Jubilee graced by the President, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, to the icy frontiers of Antarctica, to our recent 45th convocation, our footprint has expanded beyond the mine shafts. As custodians of the earth, this red building has strengthened the nation's core through its rich legacy and tradition of excellence in mining and geosciences. A trusted brand for industry and with a record of alumni who went on to achieve significant milestones. As the new millennium dawned, so did a new momentum. It brought in new centers of excellence, new dreams, and a new era. A renewed identity, a national leap. In 2016, ISN was elevated to IIT ISN Dhanbad, carrying its long heritage into the IIT family and embracing a future powered by innovation. From coal to critical minerals, from hydrocarbons to semiconductors, today IIT ISN stands at the core of India's resource future. Its research supports not just mining, but the entire energy security ecosystem, power, petroleum, renewable resources, and sustainable extraction. Our centers of excellence are the new engines of progress. These centers bring together academia, industry, and policy, advancing national missions with global standards. Its research strengthens the dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant, innovation-driven India.
कनेक्टिविटी और इनोवेशन सेंटर, ज्वाइंट एआई रिसर्च सेंटर जैसे कई कदम उठाए। हमने क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स पर सहयोग के लिए एक इंडस्ट्री गिल्ड और सप्लाई चेन ऑब्जर्वेटरी की स्थापना का निर्णय लिया है। इसका सैटेलाइट कैंपस आईएसएम धनबाद में होगा। सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स के प्रति हमारी साझी प्रतिबद्धता है।
As India marches towards Viksit Bharat at 2047, IIT ISN stands ready, grooming engineers, scientists, managers, thinkers, and and innovators who will help build a prosperous, technology-empowered nation. 100 years ago, it began with mining and a mission to power India. Today, it stands with the synergy of the two brands, IIT and ISM, driving knowledge, innovation, and national growth.
The winner, IIT ISM Dhanbad.
From the coal fields of Dhanbad to the frontiers of science and technology, the journey continues. Walking past the Penman Auditorium or stopping by the RDT stall after the classes, every year the fresh graduates carry with them memories of a timeless spring. What IIT ISM Dhanbad, its legacy undefined and its boundless. Born of the earth, rising with India, IIT ISM Dhanbad holds a century of purpose and a future of possibilities.